Thank you, Regional Director, Reverend Daniel Yegon. Now I take this time.
Welcome to the church. The history of Chebango Church is an integral part of the history of Africa countries that include Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, and South Sudan, as to host the congregation in the nearby local churches that was done monthly, as well as the East. The second area director is Reverend Daniel Yegon, and the third area director is Reverend Nelson, who is. We give thanks to our Heavenly Father for His provision. May God bless Chebango. May God bless Africa Gospel Church. And may God bless Kenya. God bless.
Thank you so much, Reverend Raymond Tanui, our Administrative Secretary. Your Excellency, ngono na ikwa what korai ni kage bwange kanise amajago je pastor temples made with hands. Yet he commanded his servant Moses to build a tabernacle and prepare a place for him. And afterward, at the dedication of the temple, God of Africa Gospel Church. To this end, we also dedicate ourselves to him with all that we are. Siage Ororinda Jehovah Agawati and Agaluni. The Jango meet Tendinoga Polosinated the Maktisab lost the awe and wonder of knowing God. So much worldliness even in the church. But as I read this text of the only one and only petition, what I have called the greatest petition